Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to replace the broken LCD screen on a Canon EOS 7D camera. Recently I had this camera with a broken LCD screen, so I had to partially disassemble the camera, replace the LCD screen and then assemble the camera. In this video I show you how I did that. It is important to put back the screws where they originally came from. Let me share you a trick which I used to remember where the screws were exactly. I have a paper which is divided into sections, and I named those sections by the sides of the camera. Then I place the screws there by their relative position. In this video you can see that, but I have a dedicated video which I show you how to do it. The link is in the description below. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to replace the LCD screen. I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, metal tweezers, and pliers with teeth. And also I will need a new LCD screen. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel or send me a donation. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So, let's get started. This is the camera, which LCD screen will be replaced with a new one. Remove the battery, the memory card, then continue with removing the rubber covers. Remove all of the screws from the back panel of the camera. Lift up the back panel of the camera and then disconnect the flat cable. I use the tweezers to disconnect the flex cables on the other side of the back panel. Remove the 4 screws from the back of the LCD. Remove the LCD panel. This is the broken LCD which will be replaced. Remove the flat cable from the back of the LCD and then the back cover of the LCD. In my case, the LCD cover is bent, so I have to unbend it to make it completely flat. The next step is to remove the adhesive tape from the frame of the LCD screen. Insert the new LCD screen into its back cover. Put back the LCD screen into the back panel. Put back the flat cable. Put back the 4 screws. Reconnect the flex cables. Then continue with the back panel. Connect its flat cable to the PCB and then put back the back panel to its place. Then put back the screws into the back panel. Put back the rubber covers. And now we finished replacing the LCD screen. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel or send me a donation. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching my video and see you next time in my other videos.